Hey, what's up, y'all? Doing a collab today with my girl from Rue's Kitchen. Hey, check her out, y'all. She can come up with some tasty dishes, y'all. And hey, she gonna be doing this type of fish here today. And me, myself, I'm gonna be doing a flounder. So the first thing we need to do with our flounder, we need to go ahead and get them fillets, y'all. So let's go ahead and follow that backbone down. And go ahead and take them up off that bone, y'all. Take them out that bone. Now as you go up and get deeper into your fish, just make sure you're pointing your knife down and you can kind of hear the knife raking over the top of them bones. That's what you want to hear, y'all. That's what you want to hear. And let's go ahead and get that piece of fish on off. That's one fillet down. And then instead of showing you me cutting the other one, I'm gonna go ahead and show you me putting this fish in this pot. Cause we finna make us some stock, y'all. I mean, y'all seen me make stock before, and if you haven't, you can check out my video on fish stock. So now back to our fillet. Now we got our fillet skin side up, cause we getting ready to go ahead and rain on with this salt. Now after we rain on them, we gonna let them sit for 30 minutes. That's just gonna tighten up that skin a little bit. And then we gonna go ahead and cut them out into portion size. Now once we get them cut out, we're gonna go ahead and rain on them once again with a little salt, a little cayenne pepper. Oh yeah. And then we gonna start on our bread. Our bread is panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, and that's a half a cup of each. Then we gonna go ahead and come in with our oregano, parsley, and basil, y'all. Then we gonna give that a real good mix. Make sure we incorporate everything. Once we get everything mixed well, we're gonna go ahead and spray down our baking sheet. Then once we get all that done, we're gonna go ahead and dip our fish into our mixture. And then we gonna get that on our baking sheet, y'all. Get it on that baking sheet. And then we gonna get this into a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes, y'all. 30 minutes. And while we waiting on that, we gonna go ahead and add a little olive oil to our pan, and we gonna add in our veg. Our veg is nothing but onions and bell pepper, and we gonna add us 2 tablespoons of butter. We gonna let that go ahead and sweat down, and then once it sweats down, we gonna add our fish stock. Our fish stock, y'all. No, you ain't forget about it. And then we gonna hit it with a little bit of cilantro. Now, if you don't like cilantro, because I know some people don't, hey, hit it with some parsley. Hit it with some fresh parsley, y'all. And then we gonna come in with a little ponzu. Ponzu is gonna give us like a little citrus kick. And we just gonna let that simmer on down and let them flavors come together. Oh yeah, y'all. We looking good. Time to plate up. Time to plate up. So I made me some smashed taters, and some asparagus to go with this. And once we get our fish on, let's go ahead and pour that sauce over the top, y'all. Gotta have that sauce. That's what makes everything so tasty. But anyway, y'all, I hope you give this dish a try. And you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.